When our customers are happy, we're happy. And when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they've received that they went online and left this review. We work very hard to satisfy our customers, so when we receive a 5-star review like this one, it helps everyone know how hard we're working to try to serve you and our local marketplace. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. We are glad you had a chance to come visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.